Yo, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Russell and happy anniversary to our Insta360 X4. I just want to share my whole journey with the Insta360 X4 since the X5 is coming out soon from my epic cycling journeys in Singapore to my normal everyday life to gonna rain. um, I cycled in Singapore and then with my life back in the Philippines, so I just want to share some of those with you. First up in Singapore, me and my buddy, his name is Muddy. He's my firefighter buddy. I was a firefighter before. We love hitting the roads with our bike, and usually we just go from where I'm staying, and then we'll go like 60 to 50 to 120 kilometers around Singapore with the Insta360 X4. We'll cycle for about like from morning, not actually morning, yeah, from morning all the way down to nighttime, covering crazy distance. So far for the battery side, the Insta360 X4 can last me around 1 to 2 hours or something like that, but then I won't record all the way. I would usually just like when I see a nice scenery, or like I was thinking like when I'm cycling thinking like, oh, okay, this is a nice place to record, I just press the record button and then just shoot maybe for about like 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'll just press it off. Or sometimes I would just you can like do like voice controls on this, right? I will just after this one, you cannot see it. It's voice command, so I just say start recording, stop recording. Then if I want a specific place in the timeline, I would just say, I want to edit, I say mark that. So the camera will save more battery. For battery wise, I'll bring extra power bank, and then I'll charge it here. Connect with the type C straight to my power bank. So I'll bring for like maybe around 2 to 3 power banks just in case, because I didn't buy extra battery for my X4. And since now I'm a tourist in Singapore, I'll also cycle with my friend Karel. We'll cycle around mostly in town area in Singapore, like the Marina Bay Sands, one big round to her place, and then to Gardens by the Bay, those type of touristy places. So that's I usually post it on TikTok, mostly of this like videos that I took for Insta360 X4, TikTok or Instagram or Insta stories. And that's another thing I like about the Insta360 X4 is that you can change the aspect from 16 by 9, then vertical 9 by 16, so you can post the footages on Instagram vertically, and then if I want to post something on Facebook, I'll just change the aspect ratio. And it's good to post on YouTube as well, but I don't post on YouTube that much anyways. I don't know why. I should be a YouTuber and stuff like that, right? And also I'm into rollerblading now, inline skating. I learned it when I was really young boy, and I'm now starting to get the hang of it now again. So while using the Insta360 X4, I'd use the long stick, that extendable stick, and then X4, and then I'll try my best not to fall down, because if that thing hits the floor, I don't have the protective guard anymore. I don't know where I put it, but yeah. So yeah, that thing, if anything happens to this, this is done. So I try to be careful while rollerblading with it, but the footages that comes out when I'm rollerblading, it's like wow, super wow. Like especially when I shoot in 8K, it's pretty beautiful. By the way, and mostly when I cycle with my friend, right? My friends, I usually shoot in 5.7K usually because I'll cycle from morning till night, and then as you can, if you've seen my previous videos, I did something about the low light capabilities of the Insta360 X4. At night, it's not that. I mean, because the size of the sensor, right? If you shoot in 8K, there's so much noise. 5.7K plus still, but then 5.7K plus is just the sweet spot. So that's what I'll usually shoot if I'm gonna like use it until from morning till night. But if I'm just gonna do like a short rollerblading videos, I'll just shoot 8K straight and just edit from there. And also I've used the Insta360 X4 once, just one time, for motorcycling using my motorbike. It's quite nice to like finally have a footage of you riding motorcycle. But you should have a strong clip or mount for the bike, because I had this clamp for the motorcycle, right? And it's it scares me because in Philippines the road there is not really straight road. It's just like straight and then bumps, and then straight and bumps, like so much bumps, right? So the clamp, it would be like this. It would be like this, right? When I start shooting, and then when, like, of course I'm not looking at this thing all the time. So by the end of the ride, it would be like this is, let's say this is the I put the clamp here. This is the mount. This is the start of the journey. This is the start of the journey, and then end of the journey, it would be like this. So yeah, if you want to use it for a motorcycle, get a better mount. I bought one recently, so I will start using that. I don't really have any bad things to say about the X4 right now, because I got really used to using this. So all the flaws that I said in the past, it doesn't bug me anymore because I'm so used to it. It's like at the back of my hand, I know pop, this what I need to do just to take the shot that I need, and I'm not really into the big grandiose of like taking crazy shots anymore, because I don't know why I kind of like tone down my videography. So yeah, and if anything, I want to be improved in the next, like, Insta360 X5, because I saw the specs. Somebody posted it on Twitter, I think, Igor Bogdanov, something like that, right? So I briefly saw the specs on the X5. I think it's like better low light. They have the pure video for low light, bigger sensor, and then I think they have new log, the iLog. So hopefully Insta360 will have 10-bit, and it's also around $50 more the price. So I think that will be a good buy for those maybe from X5, from those coming from X3, jumping and skipping the X4. For those people who got X2, X3, they got sick and tired of the look of the X2, and they want to do something more better, like they want to color grade better or something like that. Yeah, jump to X5. For me, my X4 still reliable for me, unless, oh yeah, by the way, X5 you can what do you call it? I heard that you can change the lens if this lens broke. by yourself. You don't have to send it to the factory or the manufacturer. You don't have to send it to there. You don't have to send it over there. So I think they'll do it like it will be something like interchangeable, something like that. Maybe like interchangeable lens. Maybe. Hopefully. I mean not interchangeable lens for this, but just that cover. That cover. Yeah. So you don't have to like keep buying protective guards, because the ones that they're gonna put for the X5 here is more stronger than this, what I read. And if it really breaks, you just have to buy, maybe this one breaks, just the one side, maybe you can just buy one piece of this and not one pair. So which is, I think that's really good for, it's a good move for Insta360, because actually for me, right, I kind of like drop this a little bit and there's like a slight, oh, it's over here, it's on the other side, slight scratch. It's not visible. I mean, it's visible if you really look into it, but then in the footage it's not that visible. So yeah, so that's the good thing about the X5. So if y'all want to jump to X5 because of those good things, from the X4, if you want to jump to X5 and it sounds reasonable, then go for it, because yeah, it's your money, right? But for me, I'm still happy with my X4. I'll still be using this, I think, until it's not like really working anymore, like maybe drop this from height, or mechanically inside there's something wrong and cannot be fixed anymore, then yeah, I'll get the X5. And maybe I'll wait for maybe something better in the future. Maybe they'll have like better specs, maybe, or something like that. Ooh, so it's raining. So yeah, so that's what my thoughts about my 1 year anniversary of using X4. I loved it. Mwah. Big thank you for watching my videos. I'm not really active in YouTube, so thank you for watching, thank you for liking, and thank you for subscribing. The numbers of my subscriber like gone up, so thank you so much. Thank you so much. So yeah, peace out and see ya.